In any circumstances, you can access the alarm menu. So if you want to check if a cleaning is required or a rinse is required, you got the notifications here that are accessible from the screen. That's where you'll see right away if a rinse is required on the machine. Also on the screen, first icon on the left shows you if there's any notification shown by the machine. Normal operation mode, there should be a 0 on the sign. Here we got 1. If you hit the button, you'll have the complete list of notifications that needs your attention. Basic cleaning of your coffee machine. Removal of the drip train grill. In order to clean that out, you just go over a sink, empty it, rinse it. If needed, you can use a soft soap to clean the coffee residues inside the tray. The waste bin, just lift the spout assembly. Remove your waste bin, dump the content into a pail, and you could just wash it off again with soft soap. You can dry it out with a dry cloth. So you can brush the excess of coffee grounds inside the machine. Clean and tidy up the surroundings of the machine. Put the waste bin back into place. Drip train grill. Now the machine tells you that the counter, solid waste counter, has been resetted. Now it asks you if you want to reinitialize the brewer. You can confirm or cancel. If you don't respond within the allowed time, machine times out and brings you back to the home screen. Here, let me show you the most common tools needed to maintain your machine. First, of course, you need espresso roasted beans to refill the hoppers. You need also chocolate powder, good quality of product, mandatory if you want to get the real thing coming out from the machine. Use the proper ingredients. Measuring cup to measure how many ounces are coming out from the machine. Now, to refill bean hoppers, you need to remove the key from the machine, close the trap door. You need to lock the hopper before lifting it up. If you don't do that, you'll just make a mess on the floor. Once you got the trap door locked, you can safely pull it out, refill it, and put it back. And don't forget when you put it back to unlock it so that the product flows into the grinder. Part of the basic maintenance, doing the rinse and cleaning cycles. Again, hit the geared button on the screen, geared icon. Enter your password 4444. Hit the 3 bars. Now you can look under the first menu. It's called Daily Actions, Cleaning and Rinsing. 2 words, different signification. Rinsing involves only hot water. Cleaning involves a cleaning product. If you run one or the other, make sure that you follow the steps shown on the screen. The machine will pop or ask questions that you need to answer. If you don't answer those questions, and if you go away, the machine won't perform any cleaning or rinsing cycle. And after a while, the message disappears or times out, and it will bring you back to the home selection screen. Make sure you got the cup to collect the hot water that's going to come out. And confirm the rinse that you want to perform. Whether you perform a rinse cycle or cleaning cycle, discard the hot water that came out from the machine. Do not drink this. Make sure you dispose it safely. For the cleaning cycles, do the same steps. Confirm each question popped by the machine. The machine will tell you when to pour the product, at which stage, and it will perform the cleaning cycle. Once you're done, go back on the 3-bar button, exit service mode. To clean your brew group, use that adapter that you just slide into the existing one. That way you won't contaminate your other chute, and this will help you feed the product into the brew group. Once you're done, don't forget to pull it out, close the trap door, and you're done with this step. Removal of the brew group. You need to remove the drip train grill. Remove the waste bin. Open the door of the machine. You need now to disconnect the espresso spill away from the front part of the brew group. Then you pull, you just put that aside. Next, you need to access the locking levers that holds the brew group in place. So lift that up. Reach the locking arm on the side of it. Now you got the brew group out. To reinstall the brew group, do the opposite steps. And make sure that you lock the brew group properly in place. And now you reattach the espresso spillway on the front part of the brew bag. Taking apart the whipping assembly, everything that is blue in color needs to be cleaned. And also all the components inside that are green in color is a lock device or locking device. So to take the whipping assembly out, you unlock the base. To remove the whipping assembly, just pull the blue hose out and lock the bowl. Now you got the funnel, whipping chamber, and the impeller that is inside with the O-rings.